delicious bread halwa. Here I have taken one packet of bread and next we are going to chop it up. I'm making 9 pieces out of a single slice like this. Similarly, we need to chop up all of the rest of the bread. Next we are going to heat up some oil required for deep frying. Once the oil gets hot, we are going to drop in our bread pieces. We need them to turn light golden brown color, not darker than that, because they are going to color a little more once they're cooled down. And also if you fry them until they're really dark and golden brown, then they kind of turn biscuity, which is not what we want. So similarly, we need to fry all of the bread pieces. Look at that, that is the color that we want right now. Once we're done frying, we're going to transfer it into a plate with tissues. Similarly, fry the rest of them. Next, we're going to roast some dry fruits. For that, take 1 tablespoon ghee on a pan. Once the ghee has melted, we're going to add in some almonds and cashews. How many you add is based on your preference. And we're just going to put them in the pan and let them toast until about a golden color. We're not going to add raisins right now because they tend to burn before the cashews and almonds. Now we're going to add the raisins in and toast all of them until they're really nice. Once they're roasted, we're going to take them out in a bowl. Here I've got around 1 cup water, and to this I'm adding around 1.5 cup milk. We're just going to give this a nice stir. You can use milk all the way as well. We're going to boil this for about 2 minutes. The flame is low to medium here. Next we're going to add about 1 cup to 1 and 1/4 cup sugar. We're going to cook this until the sugar melts. It is really important that the sugar melts before we add in bread pieces, so make sure you pay attention to that. We're going to add in all the bread pieces to the milk. And once we've added it all in, we're going to give it a nice stir and make sure it's all evenly incorporated. At this stage, if you feel like the milk is not enough, you can add in a little more milk. We're also going to add in the dry fruits that we toasted earlier into this mix. And enjoy!